If you're watching this right now, let me ask you a serious question. How long have you been living under the constant pressure of money? Maybe you're feeling the squeeze of inflation every time you step into the grocery store. Maybe you're tired of checking your bank account before you fill your gas tank. Maybe you're going paycheck to paycheck, and no matter how many hours you work, it feels like you're barely staying afloat. Or maybe you're waking up every day to a job that drains the life out of you, knowing it will never give you the freedom that you want. And I'm willing to bet that for some of you, side hustles haven't solved the problem either. Maybe you've tried Uber, DoorDash, eBay, Amazon, MLM, but the time and effort far outweighed the rewards. And when you think about retirement, if you're honest, maybe there's a part of you that's scared it will never happen. If any of that sounds familiar, stick with me because in this video, I'm going to show you a business that's different from anything you've seen before. A business that doesn't require tech skills, doesn't require a following, doesn't require you to cold message your friends and family, and doesn't require gambling on ads. A business you can set up in a single day that pays 100% profit on every sale and runs on just 2 hours a day once it's up and running. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how this works, why it works, and why people from all walks of life are using it to escape paycheck to paycheck living, pay off debt, create freedom, and start building lives that feel good to wake up to. I've put together a free PDF guide that shows you exactly how to make your first 10K online with digital marketing. This isn't fluff. It's a step-by-step breakdown of how this works and how to get started. Grab it right now. The link's in my bio. Put your best email so you don't miss it, and check the overview once it arrives in your inbox. Reply to it if you have questions. That guide is your blueprint. Now, I promise to keep this about you, not me, but to give you a little context, I want to share a bit of my story. For 10 years, I lived as a monk. My life was about simplicity, service, meditation, and music. It gave me peace and perspective, but eventually, I came back into the world and worked corporate for 5 years. That's when I learned the reality most people face. I was overworked, underpaid, and constantly sacrificing time and peace just to survive. And then in 2021, I got an email that my pay was being cut in half. 3 weeks notice, no warning, no backup. That moment forced me to face the truth. If I didn't find a better way, my life would always be controlled by someone else's decisions. I tried multiple online business models, affiliate marketing. I tried MLM, doing surveys. They all looked promising on the outside, but the deeper I went, the more I saw the flaws. Low commissions, slim margins, inventory problems, recruiting games, expensive ads. None of them gave me what I was looking for, freedom. Then in 2024, I found a blueprint that finally made sense. A digital business built on master resale rights. And that one discovery changed everything for me. Here's why it works. This business is built on selling in-demand digital programs that you own with master resale rights. That means every time you make a sale, you keep 100% of the profit. Not 30%, not 50%, all of it. You get a done-for-you website, automated systems, and all the tools you need. Day one, you plug into the community. You go through our Launch to Profit training, designed to help you make your first sale in a week. And then you follow what I call the 2-hour workday. Let me spell that out clearly because it's beginner friendly, like following a recipe. Step 1, you post 3 pieces of content daily to social media. These could be simple short videos, posts, or ads. We'll show you how to do it, even if you're starting from scratch with 0 following. Step 2, you go live on social media, or if you're not ready to go live yet, you can copy and paste free ads to high traffic websites. Step 3, you reply to messages and emails that come in. Step 4, you plug into the community every day. A Millionaire Mentor drops a short training inside of the community, and once a week, you'll get live interactive mentoring from 6- and 7-figure earners. Step 5, you let automation do the heavy lifting. The system captures leads, builds relationships, and closes sales for you even while you sleep. That's it, 2 hours a day. Post content, go live, place free ads. Reply to people, learn from the community, and let the automation do the rest. Why does this beat everything else out there? MLM, you're stuck in uplines and downlines. Recruiting games, pennies per sale. Affiliate marketing, you only keep a percentage. This is 100% profit that we earn here. Dropshipping, your profit margins are razor thin, and you're always at the mercy of suppliers. Amazon FBA, high upfront costs, stiff competition, and dependency on Amazon's rules. It's basically gambling, unpredictable and risky. This business No uplines, no downlines, no inventory, no customer service, no monthly fees, no slim margins, just 100% profit, automation, and leverage. But the money is only half the story. The other half is the skills. The digital programs themselves teach you everything you need to create and market offers, build multiple income streams, grow communities, and step into being the digital CEO of your life. It's not just about sales, it's about transformation. I know it helps to hear real stories. So I'm going to share some stories. So Amy was a single mom working 2 jobs and putting in 18 hours a day. She was exhausted, missing her kids and still falling behind. She started this business, followed the recipe, and within 10 weeks, she quit both jobs. Now she works a couple hours a day from home, fully present with her family. Cecilia was drowning in debt. Bill collectors were calling her more than her friends and family. She followed this blueprint, stayed consistent, and within months, she paid off her debt and moved her family to the ocean. And then there's Daryl. His story gives me chills. He had $6 left in his bank account. He was homeless, living in his car. He found this system, committed to it, and within 19 months, he had built it into nearly $500,000, from $6 in hopelessness to financial freedom. Now, for those of you who think in numbers, let's do the math. If you learn the skills to attract one customer a day at 900, that's 900 daily pay. That's $27,000 a month, and that's $328,000 a year. How would your life change if you had that level of income? How much debt could you pay off? How much freedom could you buy back? How many memories could you create with the people that you love? This isn't a fantasy. These are the numbers everyday people are working toward using this exact system. So if you haven't yet, go grab the free PDF guide. It's going to show you exactly how to make your first $10,000 online with digital marketing. Tap the link in my bio, use your best email, check the overview, and reply if you have any questions. That guide is the simplest way to get started. Most people spend their entire lives trading time for money and never break free. They work jobs they don't love, hoping for raises that never come, waiting for retirement that may not even be enough to live on. All the while, the years slip by. But you don't have to stay in that cycle. You can choose a different path. You can choose freedom, peace, and control. You can step into a business that not only pays you daily, but also teaches you the skills to build long-term wealth and impact. So let me leave you with this. How much longer are you willing to settle? How much longer are you willing to live paycheck to paycheck, stressed and exhausted, when there's a proven path right in front of you? This is your moment. Go grab the free PDF guide now, tap the link in the bio, put in your best email, read the overview. When it arrives, don't wait, because the longer you wait, the longer nothing changes. Take this step today and start building your life of freedom, peace, and impact.